Hello children, let us do one word sum from chapter time. Okay, as we always do word sums by following the UPAC method, this time also we will do the same only. As we all know, U stands for understanding the question better, P is for planning for the answer, A is for working to get the answer, and C is for checking whether the answer we have got is reasonable or not. Let us know the question. Manu took piano lessons for 12 weeks, 6 days. His sister took piano lessons for 9 more days. How long did his sister take the piano lessons for? Express the answer in weeks and days. Let us understand this question better with the help of this sub question. Manu and his sister took lessons for what? For piano lessons, right? How much time Manu took for piano lessons? 12 weeks, 6 days. How many more days Manu's sister took piano lessons than Manu? 9 more days, right children? How long did Manu's sister take the piano lessons for? That we are not knowing. We have to get the answers by planning and working. Okay, so we are not knowing the answer of this question now. Question number 5. How many days are there in a week? That's a silly question. Yes children, there are 7 days in a week. Now let us do the planning to get the answer. Children, generally we draw timelines to do the planning for the word sums of time, but here I have drawn the bar models. You can also draw the bar models, no problem. Okay, Manu's bar model is in green and Manu's sister's bar model is in purple. You can compare two bar models. Manu's sister's bar model is longer than the Manu's bar model because she took 9 days more. Okay, so we have to find the time taken by Manu's sister for the piano lessons. Now think how we will do the working to get the answer. Yes children, here is the working to get the answer. Yes, we are getting 9 more days. Manu's sister is taking 9 more days. The clue is more over here. So we have to add, right? Very good. So we have done the addition over here. 12 weeks and 6 days plus 9 days gives us 12 weeks 15 days. Right? So 12 week 15 days can be converted into weeks and days, and 15 days can be broken into 2 weeks and 1 day, that is 7 plus 1. So 12 weeks 15 days is equal to 14 weeks 1 day, right? Therefore, the answer statement will be Manu's sister took the piano lessons for 14 weeks and 1 day. Let us do the checking whether our answer is reasonable or not, just to know. Fine. Okay, let us do the checking. If we will subtract the amount of time taken by Manu's sister for piano lessons, that is 14 weeks and 1 day, with the Manu's time taken for piano lessons, that is 12 weeks and 6 days, we must get 9 days, that is 1 week 2 days. Let us do 12 weeks 6 days. When we are adding 9 days with this, we are getting 12 weeks 15 days, right? So to know whether the answer is correct or not, what we do? We subtract the answer with the any of the addends. So here what we have done, 14 weeks 1 day minus 12 weeks 6 days, we are getting 1 week 2 days. That means 1 week is 7 days plus 2 days gives us 9 days. Hence children, our answer is reasonable. Thank you.